Welcome to 4th grade at Greenland. We are so excited for the 2016-2017 school year. This video is designed to help you understand a few things that pertain to 4th grade. Our 4th grade team of teachers are Mrs. Paczynski, Mrs. Ware, and Ms. Yeager. This is a screenshot of the 4th grade website. As you can see, on the left-hand side is contact information for all 3 4th grade teachers. The website can be accessed through the OASD homepage. Here are step-by-step directions to get to the 4th grade website. First, you would go to the OASD webpage. Then you would click on Schools and choose Greenland. Next, you go to Academics and choose Teacher Web Pages. And then you can click on the link under Ms. Yeager, Mrs. Paczynski, or Mrs. Ware's names. In addition to our contact information, there is our schedule on the main page, and our Twitter feed also comes through our website. So if you do not have a Twitter account, you can see our tweets on our website. We try to tweet almost every day. Another important part of our website can be accessed on the left side, and that is all of our units of study for math, reading, and writing. You're welcome at any time to go and click on the links to see what we're studying. So when we're in Unit 1 of Math, that's naming and constructing geometric figures. If you click on that, it will tell you more about that. You will also be able to find our science and social studies units, as well as a word work link, which is located at the bottom right above sitemap. Our word work link will link you to this page. This page contains all of the spelling sorts, as well as our spelling homework grid and our spelling worksheets that are done for homework. If at any time your child forgets their spelling homework or their word sort, they can go to our website, click on the word work link, and they can download their homework. Speaking of homework, every day your child will complete their assignment notebook. We do this first thing in the morning. The assignment notebook looks like this on the cover, and the inside looks like this. Every day they should be filling out the day, the month, the date, and the year. They will also every day put the words book and minutes, and then they will leave it blank. This is to be completed at home after your child has read. It is our expectation that your child reads at least 20 minutes a night. So once they have completed their reading, they will write in the book, and then they will write how many minutes they read. So after your child has read at night, they may have something that looks a bit like this. So their book would be Frindle, and then their minutes would be 20. Your child will also have something written in the math space most nights. Usually this is the study link number. For example, they might have study link 1.1 written in. That means that in their math packet they would need to complete study link 1.1. They will likely also have a spelling assignment written in, and there may be some notes down here about forms that need to be turned in. Finally, on the assignment notebook, there's a spot for parents to sign. It is our expectation that your child take their assignment notebook to you and have you sign it, so that the responsibility is with your child and not with you. As 4th graders, we are getting ready for middle school, and it's really important that we start taking on some of that responsibility ourselves. I'd like to talk a little bit about math homework. At the beginning of every unit, you will receive a family letter, and the family letter talks about the unit. At the end of the family letter, there is a answer guide to all of the math homework that will be sent home. So this one is for Unit 1, and it has the answers to all of the study links that will be sent home. So the answers for study link 1.2 are right here. 1.3 is beneath that, and it goes on. Now here's an example of a study link. This is 2.4. Your child will be expected to complete this by themselves and to try this. Once they have completed their homework, or if they are stuck on their homework, you can use the family letter to check their answers. In 4th grade, we do spelling on a 2-week rotation. That means we have the same spelling words for 2 weeks. This is an example of how that 2-week rotation works. This is a spelling homework grid that will come home with your child's spelling words every 2 weeks. The homework is in the right-hand column. Not only is the homework outlined on this sheet, but daily it will be written in your child's assignment notebook. You will notice that there are a few spots where it says tic-tac-toe activity. The tic-tac-toe sheet will be on the back of this homework grid. The 2-word study sheet and the 10-word study sheet will come home the night that they are assigned. Again, if your child loses any of this or misplaces it, you can go onto our website and find it. This is what the spelling tic-tac-toe grid looks like. During the week, your child will be asked to do 3 activities, which will be due on Friday. Homework is due on Fridays. The things that your child will be expected to turn in on Fridays are the assigned pages from their math packet. Usually students just turn in the whole math packet. We will check to make sure that the assigned pages were complete, and we will return the packet on Monday. Students are also expected to turn in spelling assignments and then any other assignments that were given during the week. There aren't often other assignments, but occasionally there's something small to complete for social studies. There are a few math resources that your child will have access to. In the beginning of the year, an everyday math login will be taped to the inside cover of your child's assignment notebook. This login will allow them to get onto the Everyday Math website. There they can access homework in case they lost their homework, or they can access math games. They'll need to put their username into the username spot, and once they do that, the password box will pop up, and then they will need to put their password into that box. After they have completed that, they will see this screen. This gives your child access to any study links, the family letter, and games. In order to access study links, your child will need to click on the correct unit and the correct lesson at the top. They will then be able to go down to the study link and click on it, and it will pull up the correct study link. Other things of interest might be the family letter, which has the answer key in it, and any of the games, which are all right here. The games are a great way to practice facts. Another online resource that your child will be given access to is Extra Math. At the beginning of the school year, we will send home a login for Extra Math. You will go to the Extra Math webpage and click on Have a School Flyer, Enroll in the bottom right-hand corner. That will take you to this screen. In this screen, a parent will put in an email here, and then the enrollment code will go in here, and the enrollment code is from the page that is sent home. Extra Math is a great way to practice facts, and it only takes a few minutes a day. When your child uses extra math to practice their facts, you will be able to see their progress, and we will too. So this is a great way for them to practice and keep track of how they're doing with their math facts. Please let us know if you have any questions. We look forward to a wonderful 2016-2017 school year.